Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make wood frame room partition. Okay, first of all, sorry, I have already prepared for the floor, for the basic floor, but in the first step I would like to share about how to make maybe it's called different elevation of the room, and then you can use a rectangle to make this object, and then you can push it up with any size of the height. It's around 150 millimeter side. Okay, you have to make it group, and then after that you have to make small wall height with a rotated rectangle. You can adjust this with any thickness. You can set the 150 millimeter, and you have to push it up maybe around 600 millimeter, something like this, and then you can make it group, and then you can make a basic frame of the wood frame. Okay, so you can set the any thickness of basic wood frame, and then you can push it up. Maybe it's around 2000 millimeter, right? Maybe 2000 millimeter, so you can see about it. Then you have to push I'm sorry, you have to offset it inside with your desired thickness. Maybe you can set the 50 millimeter of the thickness, and then you can push it to the back until it will clear, and then you can adjust. You can set the material for the first. You can use maybe this material or this material. Okay, I think this is just basic wood frame, and then you can adjust the more unique arrangement of the frame, and then you can use a rotated rectangle or rectangle. It's depend on you. It's depend on your comfort to draw it, but for the essentially, then you have to make a rectangle for the basic frame, and then you have to push it up. For until the top position, and then you have to make a group. Then you can position it to another position as you want, and then you can duplicate it again, and you can adjust it and just press push pull tool, and you can make another rectangle with a horizontal position of the frame anyway and then you can adjust it by your choice, or it depends your taste of the arrangement anyway. So you can see about a wood frame arrangement, so it will make a different taste of this arrangement, and you just make it group, and then you can duplicate it again with any position, and as beautiful as you can to arrange this frame anyway. So you can add more frame like here with any position. Okay, something like this, and you can duplicate it with a move and press Ctrl to make another horizontal frame more, and you can add more frame like in another position as you want anyway, something like this. And then you can maybe you can duplicate more position again, maybe in this area, so you can adjust the position as beautiful as you can anyway. And maybe you can adjust more vertical frame again in this area maybe, or you can adjust it again in this area with a horizontal frame with a rectangle tools, and just make it group, and just select this end of frame, then just select push to adjust it all. Okay, and then don't forget to make it to be one group, and just assign a material of this. Okay, this is the tutorial of how to make a wood frame room partition. I hope you get a lot of advantage and benefit from this, and wait for my next video. Thank you.